Good morning, everybody. Most welcome in history class 12, chapter 4. What is the name of chapter 4? Thinkers, Buddhism, and Sanchi Stupa. Already we have completed 2 episodes of this chapter. In first episode, we have discussed the earlier culture, means the Vedic culture before the rise of Buddhism, importance of 600 BCE, the rise of Buddhism, the teaching of Buddha, life story of Gautam Buddha, rise of Jainism, teaching of Mahavir Jain, and decline of these both Buddhism and Jainism, and why the popularity in a big part of the India. But in this episode, I am going to discuss at least 3 most important points. First of all, the discovery of stupas. Second, the Sanchi Stupa. And third, the Buddhist literature who helped to know about the pictures of Sanchi Stupa. These all 3 important topics we have discussed, and some other regarding topic we will also discuss. As for example, in last episode I have discussed one thing, Kutagra. What is the meaning of Kutagra? During the Shastrartha, means the religious debates, a cuneiform like structure, when a great speaker, the preacher, sit and deliver the things, deliver the ideas to the audience. This cuneiform hut is known as Kutagra. As for example, when Gautam Buddha sat in any village and deliver his speeches and ideas related to their teaching, related to his teaching, under a hut like structure which is known as Kutagra. Second thing I would like to discuss here, who were the followers? Followers of Buddhism were, first of all, only male. Only male were allowed to enter in the Buddhist Sangh, as I discussed. Then after, female monks also entered, who were known as the Theri. The male monks known as the Bhikkhu, and the female monks known as the Bhikkhuni. They enjoy their life without any non-luxurious material. They were away from the materialistic life. They had only some very basic goods, like a bowl, like a thin carpet or sheet, and they move one place to another place. They had a very hard life. They totally depend on the donation of the common people. They were not in the favor of any possession. And other followers were kings, rich person, craft person, and slaves, poor persons, any sections of society. The main objective to join the Buddhism is to get the nirvana, salvation, which is also known as in Hindu rituals, moksha. In Buddhism, everybody were allowed to get the nirvana in their own life. And after joining the Buddhist Sangh, there was no any past background of the life. There only one introduction that they are the Buddhist and they were live on a same platform. There was no discrimination. There is no high position and low position. All were on the same position.